How to delete family member on PlayStation. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete a specific family member that you might have added to your family management section from your PlayStation. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now when you add someone to your family, they'll be able to view all your real name, your email addresses, your avatars and all of your profile picture as well as other personal information. So if you want to remove a family member, what you need to do is first of all, you want to navigate to settings. Once you navigate to settings, here you'll find the option called parental controls / family management. So you just want to go to that option. As you do that, here at the bottom at the second option, you'll find another option labeled as family management. So just click on that option. Once you go to family management option on your PlayStation console, you'll be able to see a list of your family members. Before we get to the part of deleting a family member, if you'd like to add a family member, then you'd basically need to click on the option called add family member to add another one. You'll also be able to see the administrator of this family labeled as a family manager. So as you can see, I'm currently the family manager at the top of my profile. If I want to remove the profile that is at the bottom, which is a part of my family, I just need to select that profile first of all, and then here you'll find the option called the delete user profile. Now when you click on the option called delete user profile, they are going to be removed from your family member option. So just go to the option called delete and just select the option called OK. It will ask you for a few other prompts. You want to make sure to confirm the changes every time, and once you've done that, you can repeat the process for any of the other family members as well that you want to remove from your family management. That's all it takes to delete a family member from your PlayStation console. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.